Hi, and welcome to Ecwid Education. My name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to hide or disconnect your Facebook page from your Ecwid store. First, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook page. This means that your Facebook shop will no longer be available in the page menu, but you will still be able to tag your products on Instagram. This could be useful for a seasonal business such as holiday decorations, or if you want to stop selling on Facebook for a temporary amount of time. Starting at your Ecwid dashboard, navigate to Facebook and Instagram on the left-hand side. Click on Manage Connection, which will bring you to your Facebook Commerce account. Now click on Commerce Account on the right-hand side of the page. Click on Settings, Business Assets. Under Ad and Sales Channels, click on the Edit button, click Hidden, and Save. If you want to completely remove the shop, you need to disconnect it from Ecwid. Starting at your Ecwid dashboard, on the left-hand side of the page, click on Facebook and Instagram. Then click on Disconnect the page. Disconnecting your Facebook account from Ecwid will clear your Facebook shop settings and remove your catalog. Any product you create in Ecwid will no longer sync with your Facebook catalog. You can always reconnect your store to this sales channel in the future. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to hide and disconnect Facebook from your Ecwid store.